Daily Forex. This is Chris taking a look at WTI, crude oil, and nat gas. And the candlestick for the Monday session initially looked pretty good. We started to break the top of a hammer, which is a classic signal to start going long. And full disclosure, I did buy in the futures market this morning. I got out at about 68.50 because I thought there would be some volatility. But, full disclosure, this is a bit of a surprise for me to turn around and form this shooting star preceding this hammer. I don't like these signals because this almost always means if you're lucky, you're going to get consolidation. And that very well could be the case in about a $1.50 range, but it means indecision. I don't like indecision. What I do like about it, though, is eventually we have to make a decision. And once we do, it should be a relatively easy trade. A breakdown below 67, I think, would eventually find a reset closer to the 66 level, maybe the $65 level because of the uptrend line. A break above the 68.50 level has this market going towards 70 again. It really was a tale of two markets during the session. You can see that we're still in a very large ascending triangle. So, I remain bullish at this point, longer term. But right now, clearly, we got a lot of noise to deal with. Nat gas markets have turned around, and I was truly hoping that we would see a move into this area and some type of reversal, and we may still. I think short-term sellers are still going to have something to say about this. I'm hoping that this wasn't the turnaround because you can see it has been in the past. There's been a bit of a zone. And the only reason I say that is because, you can get a better entry down here and, aim for the top of this consolidation area. I do think that we're about to turn around. It may not be today, but that's the first shot across the bow. And it makes sense because we're starting to think about winter time, and that should bring nat gas pricing higher. This is the October 18th contract, so your CFDs will, at least should be, focused on this contract. Once we get past October, then you're starting to talk about the really cold months in places like New York and Boston, Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, Columbus, places like that Cleveland use a lot of natural gas. So with that in mind, I think short-term rallies are to be sold, but eventually somewhere in this area will prove itself to be the bottom for the next few months, and then we'll just turn right back around. There's really nothing to break this market out right now.